So what bags did I carry on this cruise? I carry a simple knapsack. This is a knapsack given to me when I was about over 10 years ago. When I was studying for my project management certification, they gave us little bags, and this is from PM Study. And I actually just used this. It was brand new. I never used it, so it did work out. And the issue is, you see this big red suitcase, orange red, as I waited before I left. And since I was taking the plane, I didn't want to go over 50 pounds, and it was 20 pounds over. So I took some things out of there and put it in this knapsack, and I was good to go. Now for my carry, this is also the first time that I carry my pretty signature print. This is my tote bag, City Tote. City Tote. Of course, I'm going to New York City, and I carried the City Tote. And let me tell you what I have in here. This is a little shawl for the plane. I have a little pouch here. This is my, see that? That's my dream pouch. And in here I have, I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. I have my electronics. I carry my little pink, powder pink miniature Rowan. That has some little items in there. I have my sunglass case. I brought my Louis Vuitton. This is where I had my passport. I didn't really take out my long wallet. Normally I do, but for some reason I just kept it in here. I'm gonna lock it up in the safe anyway. And of course I need a notebook because I'm going to be reading, writing. I have my little, a little key pouch here. I have a everything pouch with just a little, with some accessories, lotion, lip gloss, soap sheets, dental floss in there. I did use a organizer in here, which was very helpful. I have this poucho, rain poucho that I carried. I have my little, which I love her. This is my hand Bible, miniature Bible. Love this thing. And I did tab her some tabs, and I like the way that looks on that one. I have some highlighter pens. And in here, I have, what do I have in here? Oh, I have glasses, my corrective glasses. I have ink pens. Let's see, glasses in there. And then in here, I have cuticle oil. I have my reusable straw, more highlighters, ink pen in there. I have some hand wipes. This is the Palm Sugar Pineapple Scented Hand Wipes. I have this from Bath and Body Works, Cocoa and Shea. Love that. I have this hand sanitizer, which is also the Palm Sugar Pineapple Scented. I have my little pill case. I'm gonna be gone for 9 days, so I want to stay right. Have my charger and my head. These are loose because I've been using them. I've been on the plane, on the bus, and finally did get here. It's a little candy pouch where I have some mints. And then Carnival, I do like to buy these. Let's see if I can show you. These little lanyards, and it had this on the end, but I don't use the plastic piece. I just use the card. And of course I have took my passport out of the LV PM Agenda, but I'll stick that back in there. Some little things like my Burke's bead. I have some extra earrings in here. That one is in there too. My AirPods, and I believe just some little ponytail holders too. And then I think that is it. My little card to the bag. So all I have, and she carried very well. Was very pleased with his carry. And in the knapsack bag, this is a 2-for-1, and we're not even gonna make this very long. Okay, so for the knapsack, I have really a bag in a bag. Sorry, my hand was in the way. This, I've been reading this book. Very good. I just need to finish it. And this cosmetic pouch here is what I need, what I'm looking for now, because I need to get some rest. But before I do that, I need to do some cleaning. So this is all of my cleaning supplies in here. I picked up this little cosmetic pouch from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I just have, I'll show you really quickly, some cleaner. I had to put some cleaner in a little bottle there. I have some disinfectant wipes, plenty of Clorox wipes, potpourri. I have some bed bug spray. I have some Lysol in here. And gloves, of course. So we're gonna get that all cleaned up so we can feel comfortable. And then this is my huge, excuse me guys, cosmetic pouch. And I'm just gonna let you take a look at this. See, this is what made that suitcase be over 20 pounds. I just got a bunch of stuff. You name it, I have it. Razors, brushes, cosmetics. This is some cleaning cloths for your face. These are the little wet towels that you can wet, and they turn into a little towel there. And I love this thing. I always pack this in here because when I put it in the bathroom, I just sit it right in the case, and that way I can use it quickly. And some cream for your face, travel toothbrush, toothpaste. Have some Fenty makeup in here. This is the butter. Yeah, this is the butter bar soap. Since I couldn't bring liquid, I'm going to use that. And let's see, of course, mouthwash, some spray, fan. This is Donna Karan, love. This is a Donna Karan deodorant. This is some vitamin C facial serum. This is, I haven't tried this, but this is sunscreen, Black Girl sunscreen. I brought it in the lotion, and I also brought it in the spray. Target had it on sale. And this sunscreen is by Butter. Now, I have used this, and this is really good. I love this. I've used it only on my face. I haven't used it on my body, but I like it. This is my Fenty concealer. My Fenty powder here. I told y'all a bunch of stuff to get that. Here's my Q-tips. Did I show you my fan? Yeah, my fan. Then, if that's not enough, it also has another side pocket here. I have another reusable straw. This is some Tylenol. This is some Tums. You know, on the cruise, you just eat a lot. This is my second phone. Have some hair ties in there, Band-Aids. And then on this side, I have, this is the African sponge. That's what I use to wash with. And then these are the butter facial wipes. And I just grabbed a handful of those, and I think that's it. I could have fit more in there, but this bag, I'm going to put most of that back in here, and I'm just going to sit it on the counter, but I want to clean everything first before I set it up. All right. Oh, is that all I have? Let me just make sure. I feel like it's something else in here. Oh, it is. This is my tablet. My iPad there, brought that for some reading. A bag, reusable bag, and this is huge. Thought I would put like my dirty clothes in because we're going to be here for 90 days and I am going to wash clothes. I'm not going to take a bunch of dirty clothes home with me. So as my clothes get dirty, I will use this as a hamper. And then some last minute things that and still I have some oils. I have my facial razor thing in here. And then in here, I have some more bathroom spray and some additional oil. So that is all that I carried. And let me get the cleaning and I'll see you all later.